Let us lift our nations high under the sun of Ida.
Your Excellency, sir, here are the representatives of co-members serving in Daura local government. The co-members were from various parts of the country, and here are the 92 among them, which consist 2020 batch A and 2021 batch A co-members. Your Excellency, sir, we want to use this medium to commend and applaud the effort of the federal government in ensuring the security across the nation, despite the prevailing security challenges all over the nation. Particularly, the NYSC members recognize the economic and infrastructural development which the federal government has embarked upon to ensure the realization of economic diversification agenda, especially in agricultural development. Lastly, we also use this opportunity to appreciate the effort of the federal government as it relates to the NYSC scheme.
Thank you very much for waiting this long to see me. When I was going to the parade ground, I saw you lined up. I thought after that you will just simply disappear. But you stayed behind in this warm, lovely weather. Where are those from Plateau and from Lagos, who are always wet and cold? Here we are warm and dry. You are lucky. It is now warm and humid. But it's normally, most of the time, is hot and dry. And certainly we'll see a bit of the harmattan, which makes NYSC a spectacular General Gowon's performance. And when I saw him about 3 months ago, I repeated it to him. Because the most important thing is for people say who are in Port Harcourt, in Lagos, in Calabar, to come here to see how Nigeria is a neighbor to the Sahara Desert and enjoy the weather. This gives us not only the cultural differences, but also the geographical and physical differences. And this is what makes Nigeria. This is why I feel very strongly about NYSC, and I always wish you the best of luck. And I thank you for your service to the country. I assure you that we are much better off as Nigerians, and rather than fall out in line with ethnic or religious differences. Thank you very much. I hope you will enjoy the balance of your stay here, in spite of the weather. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency.